Good morning universe, good morning earth, good morning mga city, and good morning Labrador. Today's vlog is mag-unboxing tayo ng t-shirt na galing ng China, sold by Point Fashion Clothes. Ngayon lang ito dumating, almost 10 days. Ayan. BMW. Lokal pa, ganyan lang yung ano, galing daw ng China, pero doon sa picture maganda yung ano, pero pagdating manipis to. Susukat natin.